Forget incremental upgrades. Xiaomi's sub-brand Redmi is dropping what might be the most aggressive smartphone of 2026. Mark your calendars for August 11th because the Redmi K100 Pro Max is officially on its way, and the specs on this thing are straight up absurd. We're talking a massive 9,000 mAh plus battery, an insane 185Hz flat display, a Bose tuned 2.1 speaker system, and top-tier camera hardware. Whether you're a hardcore mobile gamer, an Android enthusiast, or someone who tracks 5-hour GPS trail runs without wanting your phone to die, this is the flagship killer you've been waiting for. Let's dive into the details. First, let's talk aesthetics. Redmi unveiled the K100 Pro Max in a stunning Cabernet red with a color-matched metal chassis. But the real party trick? An integrated floating light ring on the camera island that syncs with your notifications, calls, Xiaomi Eye Assistant, and even your workout playlists. On the front, you get a massive 6.9-inch flat AMOLED display, pushing a blistering 185Hz refresh rate. That's smoother than almost any mainstream flagship on the market today. Plus, Redmi is using a new super pixel rendering solution that gives you crisp 2K-like clarity while burning power like a standard 1K screen. For fitness geeks, tracking outdoor stats under bright sunlight, or scroll-heavy power users, this display is an absolute dream. Under the hood, both the K100 Pro and Pro Max are running the raw muscle of the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset. Redmi explicitly stated they shifted to a dual flagship launch strategy this year to target uncompromised gaming performance right out of the gate. Think about what that means. Multiple days of light use, 10+ hours of continuous high frame rate gaming, or a full weekend of GPS fitness tracking, outdoor cycling, and audio streaming without ever reaching for a power bank. And when you finally do run dry, 100-watt wired and 50-watt wireless fast charging will top you back in no time. Redmi didn't stop at battery and performance. The Pro Max features a world-first Bose-tuned 2.1-channel speaker system with dedicated spatial hardware, meaning room-filling bass whether you're working out in a home gym or watching movies on the go. For photography, you're getting a heavy-hitting 200-megapixel main camera alongside a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens with macro capabilities. Combine that with a fast 3D ultrasonic fingerprint scanner and full IP water resistance, and this device is as rugged as it is powerful. The Redmi K100 Pro series officially debuts in China on August 11th. For global users, expect this beast to rebrand as the Poco F9 Ultra later down the line. At around $590 US starting range for the lineup, Redmi is setting a terrifying benchmark for the competition. What feature excites you the most? That 9,000 mAh battery, the 185Hz display, or the Bose audio? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for our full review on launch day. I'm TELE TECH, and I'll catch you in the next one.